Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about polar coordinates. So I will put about x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, dy dx we can transform into r dr d theta about x squared plus y squared. So I will put this one and this one go in here. So that should be like this. And this one equals to number 1. So we have r squared. Now we need to consider the bounds in here. So this is about the region of D. So we can know that this one, that is about the circle. So in this circle, we have the center 0, 0. And we know that the radius of this one, that should be from number 1 to the square root of number 2. Because number 2 in here, that is about the square root of number 2 to the power of 2. This one, that is about 1 square. And now we need to graph about the region in here. So this one, that is about number 1. This one, that is about the square root of number 2. The region we need to focus, that is about this one. So we need to change everything in here. This one, that is about r squared. This one, that is about r dr d theta. About dr, that is between from number 1 to the square root of number 2. So we put number 1 to the square root of number 2 on here. About d theta, we start in here and we go to one circle. And that is from 0 to 2b. And now we need to calculate this one. So we have the formula in here. So A, that is about R. B, that is about number 2. So number 2, that is this one. So that means we put number 2 go outside in here. And now we have like this. So we need to find the integration of this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to f and r. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. dv, that is about 2r dr. The integration of this one, we have r squared. And now we have u multiplied by v. And we put the bounds from number 1 to the square root of number 2 minus we have the u multiplied by v, so r squared divided by r, that is about r. So this one, we put this one cone here. Fn number 1, that is about number 0. The integration of r, that is about r squared over number 2. And we put the bound from number 1 to the square root of number 2. So we put this one cone here. Number 1 cone here. So this one, that is about 1 over 2. And now we need to go back in here. So this one, that is about this one. The integration of d theta, that is about d theta. Or that's about theta. So I will put 2b cone here. And now we have the final answer. So number 2 go inside this one. And we have number 4 and number 1. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is the full answer of the question in here.